Hello, you wonderful people. I'm glad to be back, and I'm sorry for being very absent over the last few months, but now I have something funny for you. I'm not joining in October just yet. I will make some pieces, but until then I wanted to play around with the supplies I have. So I got myself some wood slicers. These are very tiny, and I covered them with the Daniel Smith watercolor ground, with a transparent kind, because I wanted to try it out. And it works wonderfully. Although the transparent watercolor ground still leaves a white cover over the wood, you can still see the pattern through the watercolor ground, but it's not as apparent as it would be without it. Painting on wood is certainly different from painting on paper. The colors spread very much, and it's very fun to see, but I had to adjust a little. In the beginning you can see the little landscape painting that I've made to practice and try that out. I enjoyed painting on wood so much that I've painted not only this out, but by the time when I make this voiceover, I have already painted some other little tiny paintings, which you can see on Instagram. It's linked down below, as well as my site, where you can see or read other details, because I post there more often, or try to post there more often than I upload videos. So that's basically all I wanted to talk with you about. It's not a review, I just wanted to show you that it's possible to paint on wood, and as far as I know, you can cover other surfaces with the watercolor ground too, to use watercolor on top of that. I haven't tried anything else but wood yet, and I will make some more of these paintings, and will probably put them in the shop, but it will be closer to Christmas when I will do that. Just so you know. So I hope you enjoyed the painting of this cute little owl, and I wish you a wonderful day. I hope to see you soon. Bye.